We are going to pop the airbag.
Okay.
Papi,
You gotta put somebody in there, so.
Jump in, get go, jump.
I don't know.
Can I go in there, Pa? Pa, can I go in there?
Yeah.
I'll hold the coke.
Just gotta pop your face. Dale más para adelante.
I need a seat.
As you can see, it's already messed up. We're just doing this for fun. The airbag's right there. Right. Right. Oh my god, with my finger. Right there. We're just doing this for fun. Oh, this is already out.
We are now gonna pop the freaking airbag.
There's the mastermind, the Mexican.
There we go. Here, that's good. That's good enough. Is this good
Alright,
enough?
come on, zoom in. There we go.
I don't know, just I've never done this before.
I know.
These two people, these
Oh, look,
Mexicans.
Luis is here.
Hey, is it not like pop that way?
Yeah, shut up.
Okay, go. Get back.
If you're gonna do that, at least,
Go get in. Get
At
in.
least cover your face behind this thing. Cover your face behind this.
Go, get in.
I'm not gonna get it.
Well, who's gonna get in? Someone needs to get in. Somebody needs to get in.
Oh my god.
Hey, ya vi que se va a tapar los oídos.
No, shush, go. Wait, I wanna be.
Hey, how you feel?
Oh, wait, I'm gonna get over here.
Go!
No pasa nada. Espérame.
Come on! Go! Come on!
Hey, I think you just gotta power it and get the car.
Turn on the truck.
Power it up and hit the car. It's the power. And then hit the car to the car.
I know, Pa, they're gonna hit the car.
Pégale con la cabeza tuya entonces.
No, with the back of the truck. They back up on it.
Yeah, right.
Come on, Pa.
Get out of there, we're too close.
Yeah, it's gonna pop this way and all that crap.
Alright, go.
Oh my god.
I won't focus.
Hurry up. ¿Le vas a pegar dónde? No, enfrente.
Let's do this! Oh crap!
That's gonna save your life in a car crash.
Yay!
And then it's gonna touch it. Not yet. Get out of there.
Allstate.
Huh?
Allstate. That's what they do to us. They help us.
Falta la otra, la del volante.
Do it.
Nationwide is on your side.
Ah, pero no para manejar, eso se va a poder manejar.
You should put a dummy in there.
A ver, go back. Go back, no se mira,
Did
¿verdad?
you get it?
Okay, whatever. Stop recording.